Oh look, there's a guy down there.
It's got a lot tighter.
Really?
Oh no, wait. Yeah, it's not.
Well, that's not good.
That's alright, we knew that this was a possibility. It's just hitting up against the...
Oh yeah.
That just needs to be moved over. That much.
Cool.
Yeah, so we just bust that round the corner a bit more.
Alright, take this one off then.
I think what may have happened is this may have been pulled just a little bit closer to the...
Yeah, it's probably warped a bit when it's
yeah,
welded.
it's pulled it into the motor a bit. You can see there, that spot's tighter than it was.
Yeah.
So
Sorry. No!
that's off.
Where's it gone?
So it's there. Basically mark that and do the same distance all the way around, then we can cut it and then move it on.
We've shortened these down. Can't see that one. Hopefully it fits now.
All I can see on this thing is a little hand.
What are you saying about my hands?
Well, shh. That looks pretty good. Clearance looks good all round.
It does, yeah.
Good few fingers.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get my hand around all of it.
That's what she said.
Just gonna see if I can come in here and get a little shot in there.
Pass the camera, I'll get it from underneath.
And
Right. Very, very
we're getting the real ratchet in there. So.
tight down pipe. Goes up there, there's the manifold, and it goes into the back of the turbo. Lovely. Down pipe, all welded up. That's not what it looks like, it's just wonky. That'd be well weird if it went. This part actually is supposed to go down and then that way.
We'll see. Put the silencer in the position where we're going to route it to.
Up there on axle stands. So let the down pipe cool down, put it back on, and then do the next bit. Okay. Sound right?
Yep.
Lovely.
31 seconds.
So we've worked out the fit of the boom tube, and that will sit roughly there, and you can see we're going to cut quite a lot off of it, and then it will tuck just below the sill. It's sitting a little lower than I'd expected, but there's a little bit of subframe in the way, but it's going to tuck in there quite neatly, and then just go straight up to the silencer there, and then mount in.
Boom tube is all cleaned up and ready to be tigged, and then we can chop it down here and, well, work out exactly where it fits to the car and then do all that stuff. Yeah. Al is now doing precision work with masking tape and pens. That's how exhausts are made.
Standard.
Pro deck. Right, so I need to go tack those two together. So we need to tack these together, and that goes from the silencer into the boom tube. So we'll tack those and then stick it on and mark some more bits and then tack some more bits, and then it probably won't be in the same place as it was when we started.
Sick.
A few cheeky tacks on that. Watch that get blown away by the wind. It's hot. Special effects. Cutting, man. I'm not seeing any chips come off. That's not doing anything. Do we not have the right size punch?
Hey, yeah, probably.
Living life got me wondering.
If that wasn't
yeah.
beautiful, then I don't know what is.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Spot on.
Much later.
Is that all done then?
Yep. Brackets all welded on the boom tube. Woo.
So that's it with the grommet. I'll give it a little bit of flex.
And then it will have
A spacer.
that little aluminium spacer on top.
So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 7mm drill bit, get this all lined up under the car, drill through with the drill bit, mark it on both of them, and then take the tube off, drill the holes out with a 7, go up to an 11, and then put a couple of these tasty rib nuts in. These are the better ones. See, they've got the stops them spinning in there, and they're galvanised rather than the crappy aluminium ones. So
Hold still, hold still. Can't focus. Wait. There we go. Turn it around a bit. So you can see the serrated bit. Yeah.
It's a serrated bit, and they're galvanised as well, and they're better than the aluminium ones, because the aluminium ones just the threads go in them so quickly, and if you've got that kind of weight hanging on it, it's not going to hold up.
So that's the boom tube hung up. Does it even need another hanger, do you reckon?
No.
No, that's fine. 2. It's nice. That is so sturdy.
Yeah.
Probably stand on that. I wouldn't recommend it, but we did.
Well, we're going to have to put a different spacer in on that side.
Yeah.
'Cause it's a
To
little
bring
bit-
it down a bit more. Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's okay. Snag some washers. So
Okay.
this
Mark
will
the line
be.
on it.
Yeah, let's mark the line.
Oh, you're taking
Oh, there's a line. It's doing a line. Oh, that sounds horrible. Cool. I can see that.
Yeah.
It's perfectly visible. Right. So last bit is chop it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I want to see what it
You
looks
chop
like.
it.
Yeah. Oh. Drum roll, please. It's wide.
You.
Alright, so where should we start? The exhaust system is completely done. Everything. Manifold's done.
We've just got the bungs,
Oh yeah.
but the bungs will be done.
Yeah, we just have to put in a few O2 bungs, but
But yeah, that will be done once
that's not a
we.
big deal.
I think we're going to see what we're doing with these brake lines here, and just see where our spaces are. We've got loads of space around here
Yeah.
for them, so it's just where they're going to work out best.
So we have this weird log manifold that we made. Very odd thing. Got wastegate coming off there, so it's got almost this basically the same priority as turbo. So that's pretty good. It's perfect for boost control. Got a 2-piece downpipe. Wastegate dumps back into the exhaust. That's actually optimal angle as well.
Yeah.
We made sure of that. There's a join down there. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, there's a join in the middle because otherwise you can't get it on or off.
So we basically have a 2-piece downpipe.
We have a flexi just there. I already said 2-piece downpipe.
Did you?
Yeah, there's a flexi there, which is it gives us more than enough movement. Right, let's go under the car. There's the end of the downpipe. You can see the flexi there. It goes into this pipe here. Got a small silencer out of the silencer straight into the boom tube, which is hung up by 2 brackets, one there and one there.
And giggles, we now have,
Yeah, it was 13 inches, but
and we've gained ourselves 1.5 inches.
14.5 inches.
Yeah. In width.
Nice.
So
Let's lower the car and see what it looks like on the ground.
you dig?
So,
Tidy.
this is what it looks like on the ground. Oh, where is it? There it is. Still leaves us some ground clearance. Well, it's no lower than the sump is, so it doesn't really matter. And that's going to sound interesting.
I'm looking forward to what it's going to sound like.
Yeah,
Because it's quite something else. I mean, the flow in it, because well, modification is going to have a strange.
oh yeah, because there's a bit where it goes really thin and then goes massive. So yeah, nozzles.
Nozzles.